This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, dusk-sensing headlights, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.